Everyone ready for today's game, which promises to be a great one. Thanks for tuning in to today's AFC wildcard game. The playoffs have begun, and the contenders have their sights set on reaching the Super Bowl.
You have called heads. Is that correct? Tennessee has won the toss and choose to receive. Good luck, man.
Both teams ready for this AFC wildcard game, so let's get it underway. Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away. He sends it off. Mason fields it cleanly. The Titans take over on offense at the 20-yard line. First and 10. Showing good moves. Romanowski pulls him down at the 21-yard line. They get a couple on that play.
Right now, they need to keep going at the defense with a run. Sooner or later, they'll be able to break one for a big game.
2nd and 8 coming up here. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. McNair sends a man in motion.
Over there!
He hands it off with the carry. Slips the tackle, and it looks like they'll mark it at the 24-yard line. He might have gotten a yard or two.
That guy got knocked around by that defense. He needs a little protection from his linemen.
It's 3rd down and 6 to go. Ball on their own 24. Looking for blockers. George with the nice move. 4-yard gain on the play. Lines up in the backfield for the punt. Number 31 lines up deep for the punt return. Number 31 is already looking upfield. Nowhere for him to go this time.
I guess he thought he could make something happen.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Only one man back. Looking to throw. Looking downfield. Number 1 passing to the right. Great catch. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
Within scoring distance. Looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. Throwing left. Rice, the intended receiver. He let that one loose, but overthrows his receiver.
He just threw that pass too hard. The receiver might have caught up with the ball if he used a little more touch.
2nd and 10. Drops back. Number 1 rolling over to his right, surveying the field, breaking free, and he goes out at the 22. And that's a gain of about 8. 1 yard to go. Garner, the lone back. They'll go with a pass. Breaks free of the defender. And he's brought down at the 12-yard line. Number 1 breaks this one for a gain.
It's just so frustrating as a defense when a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
Rolls right, looking for a receiver. Number 53 pulls him down at the 11-yard line. Number 1 was stopped before he could go anywhere.
Yeah, because those big old defensive linemen pushed those big old offensive linemen backwards.
They're inside the 15. Only one man back. Quick drop. Looking for an option. Number 8 sends the pass away.
The coach might have to settle his quarterback down a bit. If he keeps throwing receivers like that, this will be their last game.
3rd and long. Ball on the 11-yard line. Number 1 sets up. Back to pass. And it looks Looks like they'll mark it at the 7. Gain of a handful. Janikowski and the kicking team come on for this field goal attempt. And it's up. And the kicker got all of that one. So a successful drive when you look at the fact they did get 3 points out of it.
And give credit to the kicker there. It's nice to have a guy that can make your drive worth 3, even if you don't get it into the end zone every time.
Number 80 and number 85, deep to receive.
He kicks it off. Coleman downs it in the end zone. Their last drive ended with a 3-and-out as the offense comes out onto the field again. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 20. McNair with a man in motion. He's going to throw. With the pass, and this pass is completed. He throws a perfect strike.
That was one heck of a throw. You could see him setting for the pass, then boom, it was gone.
So we have 1st and 10 here. Only one man back. He's going to throw. Passing to his right. And it's caught. Woodson with the stop at the 35-yard line. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
With his helmet on sideways like that, I bet he thought his whole head had just been readjusted on his neck.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Loses the defender. And the defender brings him down at the 49-yard line. Second and 9. Ball on the 49-yard line. McNair passing to the right. Mason couldn't make the catch. McNair fires the pass, but it's overthrown.
That pass was thrown with so much velocity on it that the receiver never caught up with it.
And they need about 9. Ball on the 49-yard line. Dropping back with the throw. And he fails to hang on to that. And he's unable to make the catch on 3rd down.
Sometimes you see players try to run before they catch it. Knowing that he had to get the first there, he probably was thinking about where he was going before he caught the ball. And maybe that's why he dropped it.
Hentrick is just about ready to punt this one away. Number 31 sets up, waiting for the punt. Two minutes left. The offense ready to go again after their last drive ended with 3 points. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 7. Looking downfield. Going long. Brown couldn't make the catch. Running the ball on 2nd down seems to be the best choice for them. 2nd and 10. Garner, the lone setback. Dropping back. And he's tackled at the 2-yard line.
Take a timeout. They have 2 timeouts remaining.
So it's now 3rd down, and you'd expect a run here.
The defense needs to make sure that they wrap him up. Don't allow him to get a first. Their offense wants to get out of here and see if they can get some points with this amount of time left.
Quick drop. And he's brought down at the 17-yard line.
The running game has been the key to the offense so far in the game. Let's see if it continues.
4th down, less than a yard. Only one man in the backfield. Looking downfield. Carter brought him down for his 3rd tackle. He tried to create something on his own there.
Yeah, he really dug in to give extra effort that he needed to get in there.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 30. Drops back. Looking downfield. Number 1 rolling over to his right. Throws it. Hits the target with the pass. He made a quick read and got rid of it in a hurry.
The quarterback delivered that pass right on the mark. There's no defense for a perfect pass.
First and 10. Looking downfield. Looking for an option. Fires this one deep. He finds his man. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 80 and number 85 to receive.
He gets the kick away. Coleman fields it cleanly. He loses it. The Raiders are there to pick up the ball.
They've got the whole field to use because there's still some time. Plus, they've got a few timeouts. A run or maybe a play pass would work well here.
So they have first and 10 here. Ball on the 21-yard line.
After reviewing the play, the ruling on the field is overturned.
It was unclear initially why they called for a review, but now we understand the reason.
You have to give it to these officials. Their job's not easy. Sometimes they make mistakes, but most of the times they're right.
It's first and 10. The Raiders line up with 4 wide receivers. Looking to pass with the throw. Great catch. And he stopped at the 37. He never hesitated on that pass.
This receiver can really do it all. He has speed, he runs great routes, and he can make catches on any kind of throw. He's got those great hands.
Throwing left. Dyson was the intended target. He saw the coverage, but he thought his man had good position.
He's taking a big chance by throwing it into a crowd like that.
They'll need some good yardage here on second down, and then should be in the hurry-up for the rest of this drive. It's second down and 10 to go. McNair gets set, looking to throw. Handing to his left. Dixon's with the stop. That's a 46-yard line. It's third down and a yard. Ball on their own 46. They'll go from the shotgun. Back to pass. McNair throws. And he stopped at the 41. And so he was able to fire that one to his receiver, converting for a first down.
Passes like that have been known to dislocate receivers' fingers. You might want to double check and make sure you can move them all.
They're trying to get in range for a last-second field goal attempt before halftime. So they have first and 10 here.
Get into it. Outside.
Man in motion. Looking to pass. With the pass. He just can't find a way to bring that one in.
I'll tell you what, if they advance to the next round, we better make that open catch. His team won't be playing to make the Super Bowl.
They're just about in field goal range. They'll bring the blitz. Throwing left. And he hits his target. He catches the bullet for the first down.
Well, it's a good thing he caught it. You don't want to drop those passes for first down.
It's first and 10. Madden will come in looking to try the field goal. The kick is up. Oh, it hit the crossbar. That's the end of the second quarter with the score. Oakland 10, Tennessee 0. we go back to the game. Here are the halftime stats as we get set for the second half kickoff.
Number 6 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 is on his way upfield. The Raiders take over on offense at the 27-yard line. First and 10. Garner, the lone back, dropping back, looking downfield, throwing. Porter, the intended receiver. He overthrows his intended receiver.
And you want to lead the receiver so that he can catch and run. You don't want to lead him that much.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 27. Dropping back. He's looking. Godfrey stops him at the 38-yard line. Number 1 tried to create something on his own there.
And with some quarterbacks, you got to watch out that they don't take off on you. Everyone has to be aware.
So they have first and 10 here. Ball on their own 38. Only one man in the backfield. Quick drop. Surveying the field. Smith makes the tackle at the 47-yard line. Number 1 did a great job of making something out of nothing on that play.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside. He decided to pull it down and run with it.
Second and 1 coming up. Four-man front this time. Drops back. Passing right. Nice reception. And he's tackled at the 41-yard line. Garner is there for the catch, his first of the game. So they're almost within their kicker's range. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. Number 1 with the throw. It was tipped. He's lucky that one wasn't picked off.
That guy has a great arm. Sometimes he takes some chances and he throws into coverage.
They're just about in field goal range. Nickelback in this time. Dropping back. Rolls right, looking downfield. Williams records the stop at the 31-yard line. Number 1 has shown us he can move the ball on the ground. He adds that big run to his total, and the defense has been having a very difficult time bringing him down. Melissa, any news from down there?
Good news, Al. The trainer said he did sustain an injury, but it doesn't appear to be anything serious. His return is probable.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. Looking for an opening. Running to the right side. And he's tackled at the 19-yard line. Effective running there, and they pick up a first down.
A few more runs like that, and this defense is going to get an earful from the coach.
So they have first and 10 here. Dropping back. Big hit on the ball carrier.
He's feeling it right now. Either that or he's numb all over. And that's worse.
So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Tennessee Titans 10-0. And we'll start the fourth quarter. 2nd and 1 coming up. Ball on the 10-yard line. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. With the throw, nice connection. He flips it in there for the touchdown.
That's just a quick move by the receiver and a pass that was right on target from the quarterback.
And that's his 2nd touchdown pass today.
Set.
And it's up. And he tacks on the extra point. And so they turn that drive into a great one as it ends with a touchdown.
Big players make big plays, and that scores touchdowns. Give some credit to the linemen out there. They're the biggest guys on the field, and without them, no one gets into the end zone.
He sends it off. Mason is looking to pick up some blocking. The Titans have their work cut out for them as they take over at the 20-yard line. It's 1st and 10. Man in motion. Dropping back. McNair throws. And he fails to hang on to that one. That one goes right off the receiver's hands.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy one.
So it's 2nd and 10. Looking downfield. Gets the pass off. He finds his man. Good job of bringing the pass up.
This guy can really do it. He turns things up 2 or 3 notches when it really counts. That's the kind of thing you love to see as a coach. Guys who have that 2nd and 3rd gear.
It's 1st and 10. Looking downfield. Throws over to his right. Hits his man with the pass. He makes the catch for his first reception of the day. It's 1st and 10. The Titans line up with 3 wide receivers. Dumps it off. Hits the target with the pass. The Titans grab the live ball. A heads-up play allows them to keep the ball.
You love an offense that is always aware of what's happening on the field.
About a yard to go. Looking to pass. Passing to the short option. James stopped him for his 3rd tackle so far. That reception moves the chains, and they pick up a 1st down.
With an arm like that, there isn't a pass that he can't make.
2 minutes to the final gun. First and 10. Ball on the 28-yard line. McNair will work out of the shotgun. Dropping back. Looking for an option. Passes it out to the left. A good pass, but no catch.
Yeah, and the receiver dropped it. He was either thinking about the hit that was coming or the run after the pass. But you have to think about the catch first.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 28-yard line. Looking downfield with the pass. He hits his receiver. A powerful arm display on that pass.
That guy better count his fingers to make sure they're all there after catching that one.
1st and 10. The Titans line up with 4 wide receivers. Throwing, and he's tackled at the 8. George makes the catch, his first of the day. They need about 3. 8 yards to the goal line. McNair gets set, drops back, looking to the middle. He finds his man. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
The Titans still have a big uphill battle here.
And they have to battle a defense that hasn't been tested too hard today.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. The Titans are going to need a lot of luck now.
This team can put up some points, but this might be a little too deep a hole.
Madden gets the team ready to try to recover this one. Here comes the kicking team to try for the recovery. Penalty marker down.
Loss of 5 yards.
Number 6 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42. Deep to
He'll go for the onside kick recovery. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
Now within their kicker's range. Number 1, under center. He's going to throw. He surveys the field, throwing. And it's caught. The defense looked like they were expecting something completely different on that play.
The defense has to do a better job of play recognition than that. Nothing makes you look worse than being caught out of position, and the other team taking advantage and going in for the score.
Set.
The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point.
He is good.
Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 85 to receive.
He gets the kick away. Mason is heading upfield. And we'll see if they can move the ball as well through the air this time as they did after scoring a touchdown on their last possession. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 18. He's looking to pass. McNair throws left. It's loose. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 41. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Gets his hand on it. Despite good coverage, he forces the ball in there.
Yeah, that guy trusts his arm. He thought he could rifle it in there.
I doubt we'll see any blitzing from the defense from this point on. 2nd and 10. Dropping back. He surveys the field, throws over to his right. Woodson wraps him up and now has 4 tackles. And here's a look at each team's success on 3rd down so far.
3rd down conversions are usually a good barometer of how well your offense is playing. It means your offense is making big plays when they need them.
The defender's got it. Looking to end the game, they'll probably call a simple run play here. 1st and 10. Ball on the 27-yard line. The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. Looking to pass. He's looking with the pass. Brigham, the intended receiver.
He's going to have to be careful with those overthrows. One thing you don't want to do is miss an open receiver for a big gain in a playoff game.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 27-yard line. Number 1, under center, dropping back, looking for a receiver. Steps up into the pocket, gets the pass off. Brigham just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. It's 3rd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 27-yard line. He's looking to pass. Still going. And he's brought down at the 1.
I think their best bet here is to run it with a simple handoff. You just never know what could happen on a toss play.
1st down and goal to go. And so he takes it the rest of the way for the touchdown.
Yeah, and you don't want to put your quarterback in a position where he's an easy target for the defense. This time they called his number, and he didn't disappoint.
Set. And it's up, and he tacks on the extra point.
Is good.
Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 80 and number 85 to receive.
He kicks it off. Mason is looking for a nice return. The Titans take over on offense at the 23. With the game pretty much over, let's see if they try a Hail Mary here. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 23. Back to pass. McNair with the throw. Dyson, the intended receiver. It's 2nd down and 10 to go.
We're coming.
Looking to throw. Throwing. And he finds the open man. And he's tackled at the 50. And this game is over. The final score is Oakland 31, Tennessee 7. On behalf of EA Sports, John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying goodbye and inviting you to join us in our next presentation of Madden NFL 2003.